What's going on, everyone? It's MotoMiracle. In today's video, I'm on my way home from Harley-Davidson in Baltimore to Reisterstown, Maryland. So I was at the dealership when it was downpouring. Just waited till it dried up a little. The clouds were still dark and nasty, so I figured let's go home before it gets stuck again. When I was on the highway, it ended up downpouring. It was crazy. It was flooding. I was worried about the GoPro crapping out on me, but it was actually the mic and the adapter that crapped out on me. I'll show you a quick video of how much water there was. So instead, today we're just going to do a throttle therapy, wind therapy, accompanied by music. And then the last 3 minutes of my video, it's gonna be the raw footage of me riding through that rain, that crazy rain and that flood, doing my thing. Anyways, let's go with the intro and let's check out this video. Oh man, so good.
Yep, GoPro's working, I think. Hopefully, we'll see. Let me know. All right. Whew, she's soaked. I am completely soaked, but that's okay. Anyways, this is gonna be another video though. So if you like this video, then please press that like button. So some love for this channel, then please press the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and please press that bell icon for future notifications. Till next time, y'all. Ride safe, so it's positive vibes, never give up. It's MotoMiracle, and I'm out of here.